Hi everybody, it's March, and March and I have a regular ongoing agreement that I'm going to get a puncture at some point on one of the bikes, usually this petrol bike. And indeed, I've just came to check the tyre pressures and found they were very low, about 18 psi, and sure enough, there's the culprit. Unfortunately, I always have with me in the bike, well in this case it's on the electric at the moment, I have a puncture repair kit. This fella here, stop and go. If I can just open that up, I'll show you what's inside it. Okay, so inside it we have this. First of all, this compressor unit. I happen to bought the kit which has this with it, so that's always with me when I'm on the bike. These are the mushrooms to fill up the plugs. Some instructions here. I've did my own sheet here for reference on the road. Bits and bats of instructions, and then the tool set we need to fix the tyre. Now the one thing you don't get with the kit is a pair of pliers, so I've got these. These are from an Oxford set, an Oxford bike kit, sold at any sort of bike motorcycle accessories retailer. Okay, let's try and get that off. Come on, you rascal. Try and do this without pushing it further in. Nearly. Almost there. Oh, you culprit. Try it from the top and bottom. Get out. Oh, you little bugger. So we'll just let the air go down. I won't let the air go down on me. Well, the tyre go down, to be more specific. Okay, first things first. After we've got the nasty thing out, we're going to use this probe tool here to prod around the damaged part. Just check. Okay, we use the ream tool. That's this fella here. We give it a good ream. Now, this has got to be done quite aggressively. You can't be too shy with this. When you do this, try not to get too excited. But you're making a clear, pure and rounded hole of the right size for the plug. Okay, that's the reaming done. It's very tiring reaming. Whew. Next, you take the plugger, unscrew the top. Okay, so that's the plugger. And we're going to put one of the plugs here. Take one of these. Which are kind of lubricated. Okay, you put that into that stem down. thusly. Then you use the nozzle to recess the mushroom, the top of it, the head of it, slightly down. Then you take the probe tool again and the nozzle. You put the nozzle over that and you screw it down. Then you put the nozzle, using the probe and the nozzle, you put that into the tyre, push it down all the way. Okay, so unscrew the probe tool from the nozzle. Then we're going to take the loaded plugger and screw it into the nozzle on the tyre. Next step, we take the Allen key, or the Allen wrench if you're American, and put that into the back of the plugger and we turn clockwise. Now, you have to be quite firm with this. You can actually feel it kind of go through. It puts up a bit of resistance. This sounds filthy. And then eventually it will relent. Okay, then turn the Allen key or Allen wrench anti-clockwise, or again counterclockwise if you live across the pond. And hopefully, if the operation's gone well, you pull the plugger and the nozzle away from the tyre. And out comes the plug. Now at this stage you're supposed to use pliers to pull this stem back towards you. It actually advises you to do this 5 centimetres. 5 centimetres will be a couple of inches in old money. Let's use a pair of pliers then. That's about 5 centimetres, 2 inches. I'm too scared to pull anymore. That's definitely seated okay. Okay, so we've got the tyre plugged. Now what you need to do is inflate the tyre. So inflate the tyre before you finish trimming this off. So you make sure the plug is seated against it. As I said, with this kit, I got the compressor kit. I have a 12 volt accessory socket on the bike. And so if I'm stuck, I can inflate the tyre from the bike itself. But since I'm at home, I'm going to use a little bit more heavyweight kit. Okay, I think we're nearly there with the air pressure. 45. Okay, we want to be 42. So the final stage of the operation is to trim the plug. You do get a handy blade thing here. Do not pull, okay? Don't pull and cut. You just need to cut square to the tyre. So I'm just holding it, I'm not pulling it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so these little ends of these tools, I just 3D printed some ends for these to stop them piercing the bag. it comes with. But that's it. Now, okay, those things have got me out of trouble now. That's the third time. First time was on a really nice, well, if I hadn't had them with me, it would have spoilt a really nice day's ride in Wales. I got a puncture first thing in the morning, and I was up again and running in the next 20 minutes or so, thanks to those. The second time, in the middle of Birmingham, which is the second city in the UK, that wasn't too pleasant. It was horrible and rainy, but again, much better than the alternative of waiting for recovery. And my own experience of these is that they will last, so you don't have to panic too much. So long as the puncture's in a reasonable place on the tyre, it's not a dangerous area, those plugs will last quite a long time. I've heard people who've ridden on them for the life of the tyre. Probably wouldn't advise it, but they are good, so you don't need to panic. Anyway, hope that's been helpful to anyone. If you ride a motorbike or drive a car, consider one of these kits. As I say, in this case the brand is Stop and Go. There's other alternatives that are similar, but these particular ones have been great. I'm very pleased with them. I will be using those. I've actually got a kit for our electric car, the Leaf. I swapped the kit between whether I'm riding the petrol bike or the electric motorbike, and we also have another bike kit for the smart car, which my daughter drives, the electric smart car. The one I've got in the car actually is the bigger kit for cars, which comes with rather than the Allen key plunger, it comes with a trigger grip plunger, which is a little bit more user friendly, but it's more bulky and you don't get the compressor with it. So that's an ideal kit for the bike. Anyway, if you decide to get one, I hope, like me, you'll be pleased that you got one and it gets you out of trouble at some time and you get to enjoy the rest of a nice day's ride. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.